Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about English vocabulary. 5 ways to say I like it. I'm really into it. I'm crazy about it. It appeals to me. I'm keen on it. I'm fond of it. 5 ways to say helpful, useful, beneficial, charitable, cooperative, advantageous. 5 ways to say important, significant, meaningful, eventful, substantial, momentous. 5 ways to say powerful, influential, strong, mighty, dominant, helpful. 5 ways to say said, called, responded, demanded, asked, exclaimed. Icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.